Assembly, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Namaste. I thank the President of the General Assembly for organizing this high-level dialogue. Land is the fundamental building block for supporting all lives and livelihoods. And all of us understand that the web of life functions as an interconnected system. Sadly, land degradation affects over two-thirds of the world today. If left unchecked, it will erode the very foundations of our societies, economies, food security, health, safety, and quality of life. Therefore, we have to reduce the tremendous pressure on land and its resources. Clearly, a lot of work lies ahead of us, but we can do it. We can do it together. Mr. President, in India, we have always given importance to land and considered the sacred earth as our mother. India has taken the lead to highlight land degradation issues at international forums. The Delhi Declaration of 2019 called for better access and stewardship over land and emphasized gender-sensitive transformative projects. In India, over the last 10 years, around 3 million hectares of forest cover has been added. This has enhanced the combined forest cover to almost 1/4 of the country's total area. We are on track to achieve our national commitment of land degradation neutrality. We are also working towards restoring 26 million hectares of degraded land by 2030. This would contribute to India's commitment to achieve an additional carbon sink of 2.5 to 3 billion tons of carbon dioxide equivalent. We believe that restoration of land can start a virtuous cycle for good soil health, increased land productivity, food security, and improved livelihoods. In many parts of India, we have taken up some novel approaches. To give just one example, the Banni region in Rann of Kutch in Gujarat suffers from highly degraded land and receives very little rainfall. In that region, land restoration is done by developing grasslands, which helps in achieving land degradation neutrality. It also supports pastoral activities and livelihood by promoting animal husbandry. In the same spirit, we need to devise effective strategies for land restoration while promoting indigenous techniques. Mr. President, land degradation poses a special challenge to the developing world. In the spirit of South-South cooperation, India is assisting fellow developing countries to develop land restoration strategies. A center of excellence is being set up in India to promote a scientific approach towards land degradation issues. Mr. President, it is mankind's collective responsibility to reverse the damage to land caused by human activity. It is our sacred duty to leave a healthy planet for our future generations. For their sake and ours, I extend my best wishes for productive deliberations at this high-level dialogue. Thank you. Thank you very much.